Hey everyone, today I'm going to be doing a beautiful portrait shoot in this boat in Japan. Today's model is Georgia and she's currently operating this whole boat for us. So you're probably thinking to yourself, Jessica, why are you doing this? Why not? We're here, we have Jason and Vivienne with us, and a bug just went right into my face. Today I'll be using my 24-70 lens with my Canon 5D Mark IV. That's the gear for today, nothing else. I was gonna bring my flash, but I didn't want it falling into the water. Just keeping it simple today. Today we are doing a photo shoot in a boat during cherry blossom season, or at least the end of cherry blossom season.
Yeah.
Georgia is a pro at this. I'm actually switching out my lenses right now because I tried to do a 35, but it's not working.
Sorry, Jess. Sorry, Jess.
Ah! Oh crap. Actually, this is good. You did a great job. Okay, you got it? Yeah. Yeah, that's cute too. Yeah, actually that's cute. Do that again, Georgia. Yeah, how you were reaching out for it. You should work here.
Oh.
Georgia should just work here. She just starts working here.
I could do that. I wouldn't mind. This is fun.
Even as you're rowing too, like looking out, yeah. I want to like lean back, but I also don't want to lean into the water and then fall in. You think anyone has ever capsized? Will we be the first ones? If this ends up capsizing us, I don't mind. Stay right here. This is cute right here, Georgia.
Okay.
Yeah, stay right here. Right there. This is cute, right? I mean, okay.
Is it cute though?
It's cute. Okay, now it's not cute anymore. It's not cute. Okay, let's get out of here. Let's just let the boat do its thing. Wow, the light is so pretty here. The swan is right there, a giant swan. The swan is coming.
They're coming for us.
Georgia, let's turn. Are we gonna crash? We'll move out of your way, sir. There we go. I kind of want to like get up and do like the angles, but I'm not getting up. Should I? Should I be reckless?
Oh.
Should I be reckless? Vote in the comments. Should I be reckless? Should I stand up? Okay. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, that's gorgeous. Good job. I don't want the dress to be too bunched up here. You know, it's if you can have some shape like your leg, you can show a little bit of your leg. The dress is so big that sometimes you lose the shape of the model. So having Georgia like show her legs a little bit or like elongate her body, that's cute. Maybe you could have your legs like outside of here. Yes. That's gorgeous too, yeah. There are other boats out there as well, so we have to watch out for that. Wow, there's so much orange in the background, and anyone who's editing in Lightroom knows that that's not gonna be good for post-processing. They're all trying to come out and save us. They see us struggling. Is that why they came? They see us struggling? Vivienne was rowing into the wall. I don't know what I'm doing. You took the oar off here. We're struggling a little bit here. Yeah, this is definitely harder than I thought. I thought this photo shoot would be a lot easier, but it's not. You always think the simple photo shoots are gonna be easy, but they're not. They're actually the hardest ones. I love those poses where you were kind of leaning in. Great job, Georgia. Okay, I'm gonna have to get creative now. This is very uncomfortable. All right. She did it! Yes! Bye. Bye, Georgia. All right, so I've officially switched. What is it like when you change teams, switch teams? I switched teams. I'm on team Jason and Vivienne now. Yay. Georgia, that's cute. That's a cute shot. That's cute. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. I feel like I'm paparazzi, like, you know when they're trying to get celebrities? Is this what they do?
Yes.
Pose. Yeah, right here. Just look here. Just look here. Okay. Georgia, be careful. Can we get closer to her? It's a little chaotic, but I'm kind of living for this. This is what makes photography exciting. Nothing in life worth having comes easy, right? Yeah, this is great, Georgia. Good job. This is hilarious. Okay, Georgia, scoot your boat up a little bit. Show a little bit more of the front of the dress if you can, please. Yes, right here. Oh, these are gorgeous. So this is quite an experience because, like I said before, you have no control over any of these elements. You guys are the best. I appreciate this so much. Thank you guys.
Hilarious.
All right, so I'm going back into Team Georgia. No offense, I love you guys, but our time's been cut short. I gotta go. I got things to do. I got people to see. Okay, I'm swooping in. Can you take my camera? Come this way.
Yeah.
You're good, you're good. Good job. You guys, I really honestly thought it was over for me. We really hope you guys enjoyed the picture and watching us as we struggle to take these pictures in a boat in Japan. Thank you so much, Vivienne and Jason, for being behind the camera, filming us today, and Georgia, of course, for operating the boat and modeling for us today. Let us know your thoughts in the comments, and we'll see you guys later. Bye, guys. Hi, guys. Today we're doing a boat photo shoot in Japan.
Ah! Oh my God, Jess, sorry.
Okay. Oh my God. Sir! I'm gonna have to. Are you okay? Are you okay, Georgia? Are you okay?
I'm fine.
Thank you guys.
Oh my God. You guys, I can't. That's not supposed to happen.
Okay. That's not good.